Hello, welcome back. This video will be going through the playground of OpenAI. First, you need to create an account in the platform.openai.com. I will provide the link in the description box also. After you create the account, the main page will be showing like this, the main page after you create the account. Let's not go through the documentation. If you want to go through the documentation, click the documentations, and there are some examples also here. But for now, let's go to the playground. We will be going to the examples later on. So what is playground? Let's close this and make this bigger. The playground is where you can go through the different models that OpenAI has built. Here it says that load or preset. Let's say that we want to explain some code. If we click explain code, then there is a template or the code appeared in the UI here. And then we can ask, the codex models are currently limited beta. Usage is free until this period, during this period. So it is using the codex model, which is built by OpenAI, and it will explain what this code is doing for us. Similarly, let's run this, let's submit this. And here it says, here is what the above class is doing. And now it will go and explain what this code is doing for us. It says now here it creates a directory for the log file. So if you see here, it's the class log and it is explaining something related to the log files. So it's a network eater. Of course, this is limited and many people are trying this probably. So I have faced this many times, but the main thing what you can do if there is a network error, it just regenerate. And if it still shows the error, then you can just reset it. But now it again works. And go through next. Let's say that we want to have to do some classifications. The following is a list of companies and categories they fall into. So this is Apple, Facebook, FedEx, and Apple and category. So here it says looking for ChatGPT. No, we don't want, but let's submit this. What it happens? It says that Apple is technology. So this is the classification model, and you can also play with the model parameters also here. So it says here mode is complete. So you can change it from here. And the model that is being used is text DaVinci 003. You can use different models here. Then here on the down, it says temperature. What does temperature means? You can just hover up here and it says controls the randomness, lowering results in less random completions. As the temperature approaches zero, the model will become deterministic and repetitive. You can go through all these different parameters here and see what this is about and play around here. Once you change these things, the output also changes depending upon what you want the model to achieve. This is the good part here is that, okay, now it generates something here, right? But you can even view the code, how it is doing behind the scene. Let's say that you are new and you want to know what is this. You can just copy this code and then go to ChatGPT UI and then just paste it here without giving anything. It will start explaining you what all these things does. This is how the playground, in the playground, we can just go and play around what is already available here. So that is the main idea of this. And if you want to have more examples, if you click the examples, then it will go to the examples tab here. And from here, you can search all the different models. So let's say that you want to select something from the categories. We want to do the translations, Python to natural language, explain code, SQL request, translate programming languages. Let's do this. So here it says that, okay, translate this function from Python into Haskell. If we want to run this, we can even use the API, or if we want to open in the playground, you can just click open in playground and it is here. We can submit this. When we submit, it will now then translate the Python code into the Haskell. Yeah, this is just a short video. I want to create there is a thing in the platform.openai.com called Playground, where you can go and run different models and see the output. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.